Hi everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the VCUTECH Landing Pad Pro. There it is. It's a landing pad, okay? But there's going to be a bonus involved in this, okay? Because I'm going to take this out to the park with the Mini, because supposedly they updated that app to 1.21 after I went over all that BS of setting up one phone for the Mini 2 and the Mavic Air 2, and then I set up the other phone for the Mini, so I downgraded that app. And then the next day, I was texting Ron about it, and then the next day they went and fixed it, supposedly. So we're going to take the Mini out and try it, see if it's fixed, and then we're going to try the landing pad. And the bonus is, for the first time ever, I'm going to hit return to home. Okay, I've never hit return to home. Now, I've had one or two quadcopters go into auto return to home, but I've actually never pressed return to home on a flight ever. I've always flown them back, you know. So I'm going to try it today and watch. It'll go to China. It'll fly all the way to Beijing. So we're going to try this out and hit the return to home. Let's go do it. Alright guys, I'm out here with the Mini. I gotta do a compass calibration real quick. Now, you know I wanted to do this return to home thing. I never did a return to home. But the problem is, I think that hawk's still around. I don't know if I want to, you know, I didn't have a problem with him scooping up the snap tane, but I really don't want him scooping up my Mini. Okay, so he's still over here. Man, he's big too. If you saw the snap tane video, you'd see that he was big. Let's start that up and take off. Now, you know I told you I wanted to hit this return to home. I'm going to slide this out here a little bit. And then I'll have to reset the home point. I don't want it to come down in these trees here. I'll have to update the home point here real quick. Okay, it says use when the aircraft is in flight. Okay, so let's just take off. Let me make the home point right here. Now, you know, I updated the app, like I said. I don't want to lose my guard there. Okay. So there you go. Now I just want to fly this around for a little bit to make sure that the new app is working. Because man, with all that stuff I saw on Facebook, all those crashes, holy cow. I got to keep my eye on that hawk over there too. Like I said, I don't want him stirring up the Mini here. Ugh. Okay, so we're over this way. I am getting breakup already. There's no doubt about that. But we'll see, right? I'm only out 400 feet. I'm not really gonna push this thing today because I don't let some other people fly it around with the updated app to see if it helps any, or if it gets crashed, or any crashes are happening or anything. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. And I'm gonna face away, and then I'm gonna hit the return to home. Now, this is the first time ever, and I'm sorry about this beeping, because that's one of the reasons I never have hit it, because I can't stand that beeping. It drives me nuts, okay? I hate that. Okay, so I don't see it doing anything here. I'm looking at the map. It's just sitting there. Okay, if I do it again, there it goes. I'll turn the volume down. Yeah, you've never heard this noise in one of my videos, because I don't do this. Let's see how close we are here. Oh, there's a tree limb right there. I don't want to hit that, that's for sure. God, the glare is just so bad out here. Let's see how close it is to the pad. It don't look that close, okay? But you know what? I don't care. I could care less. Okay, so I would say it's a little off, okay? So you see there's the quad and there's the pad. So I'm canceling the landing because, of course, I don't want it to land in that wet grass, because it's all frozen and wet and nasty. Okay, so, hey, the landing pad works great, okay? Watch. You can land on it. I think the hawk took off. Oh well. Alright guys, there you go. First time ever TDR hits return to home. And hey, it works. I mean, you know, that's good enough for me. You know, I don't care if it lands right on the pad. If it wants to come down here, I'm just going to stop it anyway. So the landing, yeah, so the landing pad's a nice thing to have. So I'll use it for now on, once in a while. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.